4th of July, so we get these really interesting fireworks, and when it's really foggy, it makes the simpler ones. So I wonder if maybe they save the expensive ones for the better years. I don't know.
But Tommy went to it, and he said, I found out why you didn't want to go to that one, because this guy behind him needed to get out of the crowd to go to the bathroom and couldn't, and finally just dropped his drawers and shit. He said it was not a pleasant experience because they had to smell that for like 30 or 45 minutes until the crowd started dispersing. Pretty. Oh, that was great. Those are my favorites. You think they're done and they go all over the place.
And that's a little more interesting. I've been getting annoyed with some of the searchlight stuff for a while, because it's just like, it's a little more interesting. I need to get into this business of putting on shows, because I don't know, it's not bad, but the coordinated a little more interesting. I swear I thought one of those ones that exploded said 51 on it or something. Probably from some leftover thing of somebody. Oh, those spirals, yeah. I love the faces, the smile faces, and all that stuff. These are fun.
And the chrysanthemums are some of my favorites too.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at that.
I like those zigzaggy ones though.
Yeah.
You think they're done and they go all different directions.
Some of these actually have got computer chips in them that cause them to do different things and stuff.
But they're not as good as Gandalf's.
Yeah, that's right.